What if I told you that one of the most important sea routes in the world is open right now, but only for a limited time, and nobody is completely sure what happens next? Iran has announced that the Strait of Hormuz will stay fully open for commercial shipping during the remaining period of the current ceasefire. On the surface, it might sound like a normal update, but this place is actually one of the most sensitive energy points in the world. Let me put it simply. The Strait of Hormuz is a very narrow water passage that connects the Persian Gulf to the open ocean. And through this small route, a hug amount of the world's oil and fuel supply moves every single day. So even a small change here does not just affect one country. It can affect global prices and energy markets almost immediately. Now, here's the important part of Iran's announcement. This opening is not permanent, it's temporary, and it's directly connected to the current ceasefire. So, as long as the ceasefire continues, the shipping route stays open. But if anything changes politically or militarily, then the situation can be reviewed again very quickly. So, in simple words, this is not a final decision. It's more likely a temporary arrangement based on current conditions. At the same time, Iran has also said that ships passing through this area still need to follow certain maritime rules and coordination. So it's not like completely free movement. It's more controlled. Ships can pass, but under monitoring and structured guidance. And if you think about it, that's actually quite important, because in a region like this, even when things look calm, there is still a lot of strategic control happening behind the scenes. Now, let me add a few important things here so you can understand the bigger picture better. First, even a temporary opening like this can help reduce pressure on global oil prices, because markets react instantly to any sign of stability in this region. Second, shipping companies usually adjust their routes and insurance costs based on risk levels. So, when tension goes down even slightly, global trade costs can also ease for a short time. Third, this situation also sends a political signal. It shows that even in tense conditions, there is still room for controlled movement and communication between key players. Now, why does this matter so much globally? Because this strait is basically like a pressure point for the world's energy supply. When it's stable, oil markets usually calm down. But the moment there's tension or uncertainty, even without actual disruption, markets react fast, oil prices move, shipping costs change, and even global inflation expectations can get affected. And that's exactly why this announcement got attention so quickly. As soon as news came out that the strait will stay open, global markets reacted in a more stable way. Fear of supply disruption went down, and energy traders saw it as a short term positive signal. But here's something important to understand. This does not mean the risk is completely gone. It just means the pressure has reduced for now, because the situation is still temporary. It depends completely on how long the ceasefire lasts and what happens next politically. So, what we are really seeing here is a kind of controlled calm. Trade is moving, ships are passing, and things look stable on the surface. But underneath, there is still uncertainty sitting in the background. And that's what makes this situation interesting. It's not a full resolution, it's not a full conflict either. It's something in between. Looking ahead, everything depends on the next developments. If the ceasefire continues, then this stability could stay for a while. But if anything changes, the Strait of Hormuz can quickly become a major global focus again. So for now, the route is open, shipping continues, and the world is watching very closely, because in global energy situations like this can change faster than people expect.